I am with our patient, Mr. John Seidel. Could you maybe tell us a little about yourself, your procedures with BajaMed?
Oh, okay, my procedures with BajaMed. I've had back surgery where we used 2 levels of the Gelfix implants. And then we also did a neck lift with a chin implant. And then the last procedure, which about 4 months after the first one, we're doing a carpal tunnel release.
All right. Can you tell us what your overall feelings are about having your procedure with BajaMed?
They're very favorable, and that's why I came back to BajaMed to have my carpal tunnel release, is because I knew the doctors, I knew the quality of the work, and I knew that everybody was going to treat me well down here.
Can you tell me a little about any barriers with your physicians?
No, I had no barriers.
Can you comment a little about your time leading toward your surgery? Was the communication adequate, etc.?
Yeah, it was. Dr. Serrano was very communicative. Whatever.
Were your questions answered thoroughly before and after surgery?
Yes.
Okay.
They were.
Tell me your feelings regarding safety and security since you arrived in Tijuana.
I feel as safe in Tijuana as I do in any city in the world.
What is your opinion of the healthcare provided with BajaMed compared to your country?
I actually prefer it here because I know what the costs are up front, and they're very reasonable, and I like the fact that I can get everything done at once rather than having to drag it out for months.
Did you feel like you have personalized attention with your physicians?
Yes. Oh, let me go ahead. There are times when I wondered if I was Dr. Serrano's only patient because he would spend so much time with me.
What are your comments about the hospital in which you had your procedure?
They were great facilities.
Can you comment about your experience as a whole at BajaMed from the moment you arrived to this point?
It's been very favorable. I had options of doing my latest surgery in the United States or doing it in Mexico, and I chose to come back to Mexico to have it done.
Would you feel comfortable recommending our practice to family and friends?
I have recommended it to a lot of family, friends, and I've even had physicians ask me about BajaMed.
Anything you want to add?
I think, I was treated like royalty down here. I'm very favorable.
Alrighty. Thank you for your time, John.
Oh, you're welcome.